Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily rename an album on your photos in your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the photos on your iPhone. Now tap on see all on the top right corner and make sure that you are in the album section. After tapping on see all, you'll be able to find all the albums right on your iPhone. And if you want to rename any one of these albums, for example, I want to rename this one, tap and hold on it, and it will provide you three options. Second one is rename album. I'll simply tap on it and it will give me an option to rename it. For example, I am selecting a random name like IBC and tap on done, and now you can see the album is being successfully renamed. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.